The beach is also a place where nature's forces are on full display. The ebb and flow of tides, sculpting the sand into intricate patterns, remind us of the constant evolution of our world. The gentle sea breeze carries the scent of salt and seaweed, awakening our senses and connecting us to the raw power of the ocean. Whether you seek solitude and reflection or vibrant social interactions, the beach offers something for everyone. It's a place to build sandcastles, play beach volleyball, or simply bask in the sun's warm embrace. The beach invites you to immerse yourself in its natural wonders, to let go of worries and embrace the present moment. So, next time you find yourself at the beach, take a moment to appreciate the masterpiece that nature has created. Let the sights, sounds, and sensations wash over you, reminding you of the beauty and power that exist in the world around us. The beach is a canvas like no other, where nature's artistry unfolds in all its glory.